The word let. To allow or permit someone to do something. Let someone go. Let him speak. Let her decide. Please let him speak before interrupting. I'll let her decide where to eat tonight. They finally let me go after asking a few questions to encourage or suggest an action, including oneself. Let's go, let's see, let us try. Let's go to the park after lunch and see what happens next in the story. Let us try another approach to solve this issue, to allow a situation or condition to continue. Let it happen. Let things be. Let time pass. Don't interfere. Just let it happen naturally, and sometimes it's better to let things be. All we can do now is let time pass and hope for the best. To rent or lease property, especially in British English, and let a flat, let the room, let the house. I decided to let the flat to a young couple. We've let the room for 6 months. He plans to let the house while travelling abroad, to cause something to be in a certain condition. And let in, let out, let down. Could you let in some fresh air? He let out a loud sigh of relief. I didn't mean to let you down. I'll make it up to you.